Welcome to everyone. Myself, Professor K.V. Kushare in Mechanical Engineering Department from MEP's Rajeshri Shahu Maharaj Polytechnic, Nasik. Okay, last lecture we discussed the function of management. We cover the controlling point of function of management. The last point of function of management. Okay, this is the decision making. What is the decision making? The very important points. Every business we first discuss the what is the decision making. Every business include very important function of management called as a decision making. Right decision making lets the business grow and sustain in the market. Decision making is the process of solving the problems, finding out the new opportunity in your business opportunity. Decision making is done at every level of organization. Okay, the manager does this. Suppose manager does decide making that involve following some steps. They are given some step. First, it define the problem, identify the limitation factor, develop potential alternative, analyze the alternative, select the best alternative, implementation, the decision. Then the last one is establish a control and evaluating system. This example of decision, okay, that is the point of the decision making effective guidelines. Suppose example of decision making could be launching of new product, minimize the material wastage. What we do that time, minimize the material wastage while production, recruiting peoples, stopping production of particular product, etc. That is the example of the decision making. Then good and solid decision making allow business to grow very fast and become the stable in the market. We taken a right decision in a right way, then our organization, our company, industry, good and solid business to grow very fast and become the stable in the market. Okay, they given some decision making tools. We discussed one by one. The tools are given below. Decision table, decision trees, game theory, different decision making models, classical model, Herbert Simmons model, administrative model, Pareto analysis, grid analysis, pairs comparison, condition fact. That is, this is the your tools in a listed. Okay, the condition factor that influence decision making. It is important to know what condition or factor effective decision making. Okay, the given a decision making tools, the second sentence is certainly, risks and uncertainty. This, what is this? This is the three condition or factor that affect decision making. Okay, we discuss the one by one. The almost all manager make decision under each condition listed. Okay, risk and uncertainty are the general to the more complicated and unstructured problem faced by the top manager. The first one is a certainly. We discuss first. The certainly, the when decision are made, then we can understand that manager has perfect knowledge of all the information needed to make the decision. This condition is supposed to be the ideal condition for problem solving. Challenges is here, but understand the alternative and choose the best solution among them. When problem occurs on the regular basis, a manager addresses them throughout the standard preferred method or way knowledge as a program decision. Okay, we take an example for decision making for a recording inventory automatically when stock follow below the expected level. In the modern, most of program decision are being handled by the computer using decision support system. They are software. This is observed that structure the problem are known and they are even forward and clear with the respect to information. Okay, suppose any experienced manager can also anticipate this problem and make a plan to prevent to solve them. Okay, for example, pay hikes, promotion, vacancy required, etc. Professional and probatic manager can easily handle these things before the actual occurs. That is the uncertainty. Okay, the next one is a risks. Simple. Another condition is risks. In this type of environment, the manager is not able to gather the complete information. Risk condition is more difficult than other condition. How? Here the manager generally understands the problem and even its alternative. Manage is not sure or do not have about how each solution is going to work. Risk is a common decision condition for manager in case of when new and unknown problems occurs. Suppose in a organization or industry, some new and unknown problem occurs. Then non-program decision are to the situation at hand and find out the solution. It is a difficult to resolve the non-routing problem as in needs hug amount of information. Okay, computer supports help in information processing, but still decision involved human judgment. The most difficult problem are the non-program decision. Every manager has to face this problem. From we understand how manager conceptual skill increase as they get more responsibility in their job. That is the risk means simple. Like in a companies there are some problem in a company. In every time the manager will be solve in within hours, but the new or unknown problem are create. That time manager do not solve the problem in a minimum time. That is the risk. Okay, then third one is uncertainty. There is a one more condition or case when information is very poor, that manager cannot understand the probability and outcome of the alternative. That is the uncertainty. This condition is the most difficult for manager. Decision under condition of some uncertainty is like being a condition of uncertainty. Manager have to really heavily on creativity for solving the problem. This needs unique, generally innovative alternative to the executive process. In almost all cases, this type of decision involves in situation. These problems are known as problem. It's involved like your information dependency and generally new or unexpected situation. That is the uncertainty. Okay, this type of problem are mostly unexpected and addressed immediately as per occurs. Means the problem need new and unique solution. We can take example of a stock market, shares or mutual funds. The decision of buying and selling the shares in the is a decision making under uncertainty. The reason behind it is they nobody can exactly predict the condition of stock market at the particular time. This is the example. The still with the help of historical data, guesses and law hunch one can be make this decision. Some things happens with the organization is uncertainty condition occurs while they making decision. Okay, that is a very important example for understand the what is the certainty. We can take the example of a stock market. Okay, the personal decision making model. There are some personal decision types of model like your logical. Sometimes we use the logic, intuitive, and predisposed. That is the three models of the personal decision making. Decision taken by the supervisor could be change in a work schedule or reschedule, increase or decrease in a production depending on the current situation. Then decision regarding rejection of raw material or finished product. Okay, that is the supervisor duty. Supervisor which types of decision we taken, like your rejection of raw material, then change in process of product development, like change in work schedule or reschedule, then work assignment to the worker. That is the decision taken by the supervisor. Okay, we understand the what is the decision making. Then what is the decision making tools. Then there three function like certainly, risk or uncertainty. Okay, we complete the function of management or duty of management. Okay, one by one we discuss and we learn every function, like your planning, organizing, directing, controlling, motivating, coordinating, or last one is the decision making. Okay, we complete the function of management. Thank you.